In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a password for Jotform PDF attachments. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to update and click Edit Form to open it in the form builder. At the top of the page, click Settings, then select Emails from the left sidebar. Open your autoresponder email, since this is the email that will send the PDF attachment to respondents. Next, click the Advanced tab, scroll down and enable the Attach PDF option. Once it's turned on, you'll see an additional setting called Enable PDF Password. Turn on Enable PDF Password, then enter the password you want to use to protect the PDF attachment. Choose a strong password and share it with recipients through a secure method if needed. After you've entered the password, click Save Email to apply your changes. From now on, every PDF attached to your autoresponder email will be password protected, adding an extra layer of security to your form submissions. That's how to set a password for Jotform PDF attachments. Thanks for watching.